Well, howdy, cowboys. Have I got something special for you that I'm gonna rustle up? It comes from my cookbook, Cowboy Cookbook. Did you know you can make maple syrup in your kitchen? You sure can, and it just takes potatoes. I'm gonna show you how to make it now. I need 6 potatoes, and I'm gonna chop them up. I've got them in a pot. Time to cook them with 2 cups of water. I'll boil that for about 20 minutes. The potatoes are done boiling. I'm going to scoop them out into this bowl and have them as leftovers tomorrow. I need that potato water. To this potato water, I need to add 1 cup of brown sugar and a cup of regular sugar. Bring it to a boil until the sugar dissolves. We have ourselves some maple syrup. We're just gonna let it cool a bit. Maple syrup made from potatoes. Tastes great. Very sweet. I heard it tastes even better if you keep it stored in a jar for a couple days in a dark, cool space. I may try that for the rest of it. Thanks for watching, partner. Why was the cowboy's feet so sticky? Maple stirrups.